Hello! Today is our science review for motion. Motion is moving. Yes, unit 10. Okay, so let's go to the next slide and see what are some of the things we've learned in motion. So here we've learned where things are, or location. So let's look at some of these pictures and let's think of some of the words that tell us where some things are. For example, let's look over here. What are these friends doing in this box? Are they inside or outside? They are in the box, and Patrick is outside of the box. Okay, so there's in and out. And these friends here, Krishna, Lily, Dylan, and Amr. How can we describe their location? They are standing beside each other. Great job. And over here, we have some friends sitting on the floor. And how can we describe where the location of the friends are over on this side? They are behind them. So here, the friends are in the front. These friends are behind. Very good. Oh, Ethan and Mitchell, where are they? How can we describe their location? They are under the umbrella. Very good. And over here, Miss Teal's class, they're holding all their toys. I think it's their show and tell. Where are they holding it? They're holding it underneath them or above? They're holding it above. Yes. So here are a little bit of extra clips to show you where some things are.
In, out. Over, under.
Now we are looking at things and how they move. So over here, remember this? Yeah, you guys are running over here, running up and down. And over here, friends are playing soccer or they're kicking a ball. So here are a few video clips to show you how things move, just to review it. Can you tell us how they are moving? Are they moving zigzag, up and down, round and round, straight, or back and forth? Next, we have changing how things move. So things can move in lots of different directions, but can we also change how they move? Yeah, what are some ways we can change how things move? By kicking, yes, or pulling. Yes, and we can change how they move either forward or backward, right? And over here, we can also see how gravity works. So here are some clips to show you how to change some things move.
Pull, push, pull, push.
Can you observe gravity in these next clips?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Happy New Year!
Remember when we learned about magnets? Magnets are little pieces of metal that can attract or repel things. And usually things are magnetic, they stick together, to things that are made of kinds of metals. Lots of metals are magnetic, especially steel or iron, and many other kinds of metals too. Do you know that magnets can be weak or strong? Strong magnets can pull lots of things together. Weak magnets might only be able to pull a little bit. And magnets can be all different shapes and sizes. Let's take a look at some different magnets in these pictures. You might see some people you recognize. So, over here we have Jana looking at some magnets, and look at what she is doing. She has a magnet, the metal board under, and she's putting the magnetic letters on top so that when she picks it up, which you can see in this picture over here, they will still stick. They don't move around. Now, these magnets are not super strong magnets. So if you move the board around a lot and you swing that metal board all around, you know what's going to happen? They're still going to fall off because they are not that strong, but they are strong enough just to stay when you pick it up. In the middle, we can see some other kinds of magnets. These letter magnets in the bottom are pretty strong magnets. They stay pretty well, and they are easy to move around. In Miss Huddleston's classroom, we have these kinds of magnets that are the letters of the alphabet. And you can see I am putting the D for donut onto the piece of metal because it is magnetic. And over here at the top, you can see some other magnets that I found. And they are pretty strong magnets too because they can go all the way down and they do not fall. I wonder if you found some different kinds of magnets that were different shapes and sizes and different colors around your house. What did you find? I have one more thing that I want to show you. I have a big magnet here, but this doesn't look like a magnet, you might say, but look. There are some magnets on the back of the pen, and I can use them to stick. Look, it's sticking. It is attracting all by itself. So some things might not look like they are magnetic, but they are. Pretty cool, right? And now I can easily use this doesn't fit. Good thing I have this eraser on the back. I can easily use my magnet so that when I am done, I can put it right back on and I don't lose it. Remember, magnets are important when we learn about motion because we are learning about the motions push. So we push or pull. We might learn about gravity. If the magnet is not very strong and I start moving it around, gravity happened. It fell to the ground. And remember, we learned about how things move in all different kinds of ways. We learned how they can move straight. We learned back and forth. We learned round and round. We learned zigzag. We learned how to move in so many different ways. We learned fast and slow. Motion is very important. I use motion every day, and I think you do too. And I am so thankful that I can move. It is important for people and animals and things, and it helps us to live our lives.